There's not a way to solve this problem in the time that we have by getting everybody to change their lifestyle. If we had 100 years, this is exactly the right way to approach this problem. Human beings change best, and human civilizations, when it goes slowly and gradually, and you buy a Prius and your brother-in-law sees it, and your sister rides the bicycle and gets starts looking healthy, and somebody else copies her, and on we go. Over 3 generations we make real change. We had 3 generations, good idea. We've got a few years, and that means that we engage. All those things are important, but if you have a limited quantity of time and energy, which most of us do, spend a little bit of it changing your light bulbs and perfecting your own lifestyle and whatever. Spend more of it organizing, getting connected, becoming powerful enough to make that structural reform. That was the logic anyway behind 350.org.
One of the best things we can do that's a quick fix is to impose regulations on the industry that dramatically limit the places where it's permissible to go. And I would start on that list of places where it actually knows how to do its work. Might be a good place to start. But we can actually put, by acting collectively, limitations on the operations of this industry, which will buy us a lot of time. And as I said again, it's about collective movement of people.
But restricting supply will raise prices. Is that the intended goal?
There's 2 pieces of that. First of all, our oil markets domestically and internationally are completely out of whack. So one of the primary reasons is the control that's exercised over the markets of the industry. What I would want to see is the price. We could restrict supply, restrict demand, and again, capture high prices of oil and gas into the ways that we need to transition away off.
That's right. And now economists and Bernie Sanders and Barbara Boxer introduced a bill this year in Congress. And it says, look, we're going to raise the price of oil, and we're going to do it artificially, and then we're going to take most of the money we collect and we're going to send it back to people so that they don't get bankrupted in the process. The basic question that you want to answer is, who owns the sky? If it's Exxon, then we should keep doing what we're doing now. If it's all the rest of us, then at the very least they should be paying rent, to us for the damage they're doing. And if they did, if you went to every time you filled up your tank, gasoline was, $7 a gallon like it is in Europe, you would start saying to yourself, actually, I don't require a semi-military vehicle to get my groceries,
The other thing that would happen if gasoline was $7 a gallon is that more people would more aggressively demand that they had some other way to get around.
Why do you think, it's right, it's not, Europe doesn't have a good train system because Europe has better train engineers or something than we have. They have it because they kept the price of energy high since the end of the war. And so people, you got elected politician, you got elected whatever you're doing by making sure that there were good trains that came on time.